Hello, in front of me I've got signature slim combo MK950 from Logitech. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this set. At the top of the box we've got the image of the keyboard and mouse. Also we can check battery life for mouse and keyboard. On the bottom we can find serial number of the set, and on the back we can find some features and specification. Here is the specification and here are features. Let's start with unboxing this device. Firstly, let's remove this sticker. Once it's done, we can open the box. First thing we see is the keyboard. It's very well packed in paper material. Let's put it aside for a moment and take a look further in the box. Next, we can find USB dongle for connection, mouse, also packed in the paper material, and tutorial for connection. In the end right here we've got some important safety information, and that's basically it what we can find in the original box. Now let's take a look at the mouse and keyboard. This is the classical keyboard with numeric buttons, 3-step connection with pretty soft and quiet click. Same with the mouse. Very handy, small but fits my hand. On the mouse we also can switch connection between 3 devices, and it comes with the battery. Both keyboard and mouse share the same dongle for connection. On the back of the keyboard we've got these stands and also battery included. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.